Close-up shots of onion seeds, soil, pots, and a quick seed to harvest preview montage. Growing from seed to harvest complete guide. Show onion seeds in hand, then a packet of seeds. Cut to soil preparation, mixing garden soil with compost and cocoa peat. Use high-quality seeds and well-drained soil. Seeds placed evenly and covered lightly with soil. Sow seeds about 0.5 inch deep. Gentle watering using a spray bottle. Soil looks moist, not wet. Gently keep soil moist. Time lapse of soil surface. Green shoots slowly emerging. Germination in 7–10 days. Healthy onion seedlings growing taller under sunlight. Leaves moving gently with wind. 5–6 hours of sunlight daily, transplanting seedlings into garden soil or bigger pots. Show proper spacing between plants. Plant when seedlings reach 4–5 inches, adding organic compost or liquid fertilizer near plants, followed by light watering. Every 2 weeks for better growth. Close-up of onion bulbs forming above the soil surface. Side angle shots.